Using the terminal key bindings with Bash on macOS. I have been trying to learn the keyboard shortcuts for the shell on macOS, but when I tried using Alt+B, it did not work. How do you discover, configure and use key bindings in the shell? Any cheat sheets would be helpful.
One way to deal with meta key sequences not working on the OS X terminal is to assign specific character sequences to particular key presses. For those of us with known-as keyboards, this is often a better solution than the use option as meta setting mentioned in the comments of our answers. Many international Mac keyboards are essentially unusable for development work without the option /alt key, because certain critical characters are otherwise unavailable. There's no hash on a UK Mac keyboard, for example. To get word left and word right working for Bash, I've used the keyboard section of the settings in Terminal. You can tell it to generate particular code sequences when particular key presses are made. I've got mine configured so that Alt+ left pointing triangle generates \033b. That's actually two characters, escape, and then a lowercase b, and Alt+ right pointing triangle generates \033f, i.e. escape f. This lets you use the arrow keys with the option key held down to get the word left and right behavior. What I've not yet worked out is how to get the escape key to work. In theory you should be able to use that for meta sequences, but it appears not to work. So just typing escape +B should go back one word. If you have a US keyboard layout, or some other keyboard in which Apple have seen fit to provide all the keys you actually need, then as others have suggested, use option as meta key, also on the keyboard section of terminal settings, is probably a better choice because you'll be able to get to any meta key combination. With that switched on, Alt+B works as expected.
macOS X's terminal is Bash. Here's some Bash shortcuts. The one you are looking for is Ctrl+H. This is the same as hitting the backspace key. If you are looking for an escape character to go back one character, you are looking for \B, as in.
On my UK Mac, Alt+ cursor left/right goes \forward one word. Absolutely essential.
Try SS64. This website is just great for command line reference. OS X keyboard shortcuts is taken from this SS64 page. Note: to use the Alt key shortcuts in GT semicolon and GT, open Terminal Preferences in GT semicolon and GT, Settings tab in GT semicolon and GT, Keyboard in GT semicolon and GT, tick Use option as meta key.